Hello everybody, welcome back to our HISENSE Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Wake on LAN on your HISENSE TV. So first, go over to the settings. Now in those settings, go over to the connection, go to network, and right at the bottom, we will have the Wake on LAN. So as you guys can see, using Ethernet, turn on your TV with your mobile device. So we can disable it by clicking OK on our TV remote, or we can enable it back, but now we need to confirm that this option basically consumes a lot of the energy and power. So we need to enable it and confirm that we know that it consumes a lot of energy and if we want to continue. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.